All right, here we are. Happy New Year to everybody. This is our first demonstration for 2025. Um, as always, we're doing a brief healing demo showcasing what you can do with the accelerated release technique using a pendulum. Um, and today, my volunteer is Tanuja. So thank you so much, Tanuja, for being willing to allow me to demonstrate this technique um, for everybody here. Just as a reminder, it's not a full healing demo. A full healing demo would involve starting with a specific problem and identifying, like finding and digging out the root cause, and then healing that. Instead, we are just doing the healing part. Tanuja's already got something that we're going to work on, and we're just going to erase it.
Yeah,
Tanuja, do you
thank
want to
you.
tell everybody, introduce yourself and tell us what you'd like us
Okay.
to heal for you today?
Yeah, thanks, Renu, for giving me the opportunity for the healing one. Actually, my name is Tanuja Patidar, and I'm from Mumbai. I'm a sports person, and right now I'm doing Bollywood writing and acting. So, just wanted to come back with boom in 2025. I took 3 years break because I was going through some issues in my life. For that only, I want Renu to heal me.
Okay, so tell us, Tanuja. We were talking about a few possibilities of things we could work on, but we decided on a childhood memory. So do you want to tell me exactly what it is we want to heal? So what it is and what emotions you've been carrying. Okay, so this is about going into that memory and identifying what needs to be let go of. And then I can
Okay,
start the process.
okay, I start. Whenever I used to go to school, and like school was very much comfortable because I was going with my brother, so I was always secure. But when I started going to college alone, so while coming and going by BST bus in Mumbai, we normally go by BST local. So there, while coming, while sitting, the men used to touch on my thighs, and that was making me so irritated. I was a shy child, and I used to think what to do. So many years, it was going anger in myself, and I wanted to come out of it. Still, that memory is haunting me. Either
Okay.
they touch some of the parts or thighs and all, and in the crowd also they used to irritate. So that was the thing I'm still carrying out.
Okay. Feeling like you couldn't speak, feeling embarrassed, feeling angry. What emotions? Like when you put yourself in there, what did you feel? Because that's what we want to let go of.
Okay, I couldn't speak because I was very shy and I was very angry. I couldn't speak to my mother also because my mother was very strict.
Okay.
So there was no one to share.
Okay. So isolated.
And I didn't had a friends because my mother, she always kept us away from the crowd because she was very protective and she's very nice human being. So that overprotective made me very more shy
Right.
and I couldn't speak out.
Okay. So um so unable to speak, angry and isolated. So those are the key emotions
Right,
that are coming up to the surface.
correct.
Okay. Now, what I should have done first is connect. So, so just for everybody watching, my front to back is a yes, my side to side is a no, and everything else I'll explain as we go. The first thing I need to do is connect to Tanuja using my pendulum. So I'm going to use this clockwise spin. Any shift, clockwise, counterclockwise, that's energy moving, releasing, um, shifting, generally speaking. So I am asking right now, while it spins, for a 100% crystalline clear connection with my guidance and any of Tanuja's guides who are going to be assisting with us today. We're asking them to heal or deal with any clarity issues as they arrive, remove any unwanted or uninvited energies that might be present. We also are asking for only 100% true and accurate answers given in a concise and timely fashion for the fastest, most efficient healing possible. So sort of like as they're thinking about it, if I need to move anything to make those conditions true, as it spins, it's clearing things up. So now it's all true. So we do have that 100% crystalline clear connection, true and accurate. Okay, so we're good on that front. So now that we're connected, I don't need to do filters or anything special. I can just work on this life event. Okay, cool. So now we just want to heal the event. So I'm just going to start the process of pulling out those emotions. So Archangel, item, I need a pendulum move. I need a pendulum move. Is it a modified move? Ooh, I need a modified pendulum move. All right. So give me a second. I'm going to need a few little bits and pieces of information in here because there's going to be a lot going on with my pendulum right now. Is it one modification? 2, 3 modifications? And no. All right, 1, 2, 3. I want to get to do 2 pendulums for this. 5, you're going to be speaking. Okay, I got to take these notes down. So I'm going to need 2 pendulums. And spin over. Okay. Red, orange, yellow. Okay. Some solar plexus. And one more second. So sometimes there's a whole bunch of things that are going to shift all simultaneously. So I need a few more pieces of information. One less piece. Do I have clarity to find it? Not yet. Interference? No. Archangel, item. Archangel, you got it? Done. Thank you very much. Archangel, item, pendulum, spirit guide to check in. Do I have clarity to find my question? 1 through 20, 21 to 40, 41 to 60, 61 to 80, 61 to 70, 71 to 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. 79 for you. That's a big one. And one last thing. Oh, 2 more things I need. 1 to 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 to 4, 5, 6, and 6. So what I'm doing right now is finding specific pendulum moves and directions that I'll be needing to shift this energy. And pendulum each. 2, 3. And finally, 1, 2. All right. I'm going to have to pull down my other pendulums for this. So I usually get my answers. I usually do most of my work with my steel pendulum, but this time I need a few other ones. So what's going on? A whole bunch of things happening at once. So I'm going to be I have to ask you a question, Tanuja. I'm going to ask you to just answer it. Like just keep talking until you run out of things to say, or until I tell you that I've got all the information I need. Because what's going on is this question is meant to prompt stuff to come to the surface. Okay, so the universe knows what I need to ask you, and it's going to pull out whatever emotions, feelings, thoughts, beliefs that need to shift. I refer to my pendulum swinging around as my cosmic vacuum cleaner. All right, so stuff is going to come up so that my little vacuum can pull it all out. All right, now I'll be doing this while essentially I've got that little guy here. I'm working on your solar plexus. All right, so this is my representation of your solar plexus. So I'll be shifting the energy right around your solar plexus as you're answering this question. And I have to use a couple of different pendulums to do what it's going to do. All right, so now that I've explained all that crazy complicated stuff, the question for you to answer is, do you believe you can trust others?
50%.
50%. Okay.
I
So
have a trust issues.
what's coming to mind when you say, do you believe you can trust others?
Um, when I think I I can't find anyone to trust blindly now. Earlier, I used to trust 100%, but after some experiences, it taught me not to trust. So only 50%.
Mm-hmm.
I get fear
Mm-hmm.
if I trust, insecure. And most of the time, I feel like again they will backstab me.
Right.
So feel danger with meeting new people. So I'm not meeting people also.
Keep going if there's anything else that's coming up.
That's it. And I just feel very emotional if I get carried out. Like if I get attached with someone, I become very emotional. And then I stop myself by getting very emotional. Because as a person, I'm very sensitive.
Yeah. Okay, that was all I needed. So I'm going to put these guys back. They picked up what they needed. And we're going to go on to the next thing. Archangel, item, pendulum move, spirit guides are offering you support. Are you accepting it? All of it. 100% received. Excellent. Thank you. Archangel. Again, Archangel, item, pendulum move. Archangels, you got this one? No. Is this a modified move? No, you're not accepting Archangel support to heal this. So, not accepting Archangel support. We got to get their support back. Archangel item. Archangel, you got it. Done. Thank you. Archangel item. Archangel, you got that. Done. Thank you. Angel item. Pendulum spirit guides offering their support. Are you accepting that support? All of it. 100% received. Okay, good. Archangel item. Archangel, you got it. Done. Thank you. Archangel item. Pendulum spirit guides. And are you now accepting Archangel support to heal all these emotions? Yes. Okay, Archangels get to do their thing. Brilliant. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Archangel, item, pendulum, spirit. Okay, so now I want you to go back into that memory. Tell me how do those emotions feel now? So we had that inability to speak, that feeling angry and feeling isolated. Are they better? Are they worse? Or did they stay exactly the same?
Still okay because after I got scared going in BST bus. So I started going in cab or auto.
Mm-hmm.
And like still it's 50-50. Like earlier I was very angry. Now I'm feeling little better.
Okay, so the anger starting to lift. I guess the little, I guess there was some fear in there.
Yeah,
Because I didn't write that
there's fear and kind of I just feel like crying. I don't know why.
Okay, so there's sadness, a little bit of anger, and a little bit of fear still. Those are the emotions that are still kind of lurking.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so sadness, anger, fear. So now we're going to do a shift on those. Archangel, Ida. Archangels, you got that? And thank you. Archangel, item, pendulum, spirit guides offering their support. Are you accepting all of it? 100% received. Excellent. Archangel, item. Archangels, you got this? Done. Thank you. Archangel, item, Archangel, you got that done. Thank you. Archangel, item, pendulum, spirit guides. Archangel, item, Archangel, you got it. Is it modified? 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this alters? Yeah, there's fragments of you that are still feeling all this. So I just have to heal them. Okay. Archangel, item, Archangel. What am I doing? Archangels, you can take care of that? Yes. Do all those altars want to integrate? Every single one of them wants to integrate. Do they all know how? Nope. Archangel, item, pendulum, spirit guides. And Archangel, item. Archangels, you got it. Yes, done. Thank you. Archangel, item, pendulum, spirit guides, check in. Okay, do they all want to integrate? Yes. Do they all know how? Yes. Do you want them all to integrate? Yes. Are they all accepting Archangel support to integrate? They are indeed. Archangels, can you integrate all of these altars, please? Done. Any other altars feeling sadness, anger, or fear? No, they're all good. Brilliant. Let's go back to the emotions. Archangel, item, pendulum, spirit guides, check in. Okay. Tell me now, the sadness, the anger, and the fear, how do they feel? Better, worse, or do they stay the same?
Now I'm feeling better. I'm feeling a little relaxed.
Okay.
Now no emotions.
No emotions?
No emotions, but I'm feeling relaxed.
Okay. Is there anything in there? Like I really want to make sure it's all gone. So when you think about being on the bus, the
I had some feeling in my solar plexus and heart. When
okay,
we were doing, I got a feeling from solar plexus to heart, and it
okay,
was beating. And
okay.
then I felt like relaxed.
Oh, okay, good. Um, okay. So when you think about it, or is it getting blurry? Is it getting like fuzzy, harder to remember?
Now I don't feel like remembering. I just feel like it's okay. But earlier, when I was speaking to you, I was very angry. I was sad. And I
Yeah.
said, it's fine.
Okay. It's done.
Yeah.
Anything left?
Yeah.
No. Brilliant. Thank you. That was a nice
Yeah, welcome. Well, thank you to you because you made me come out of that memory. It was haunting me from so many years. That hatred.
yeah. Well, I'm glad we were able to shift that and release that so easily. Thank you. Thank you for
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
hearing.
May God bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure.